What's slope? Probably you have heard it before. Measurement that describe how steep a line is. This is high steep slope. That is also high steep slope. That's a negative one, but they both are high steep slope and very close to y-axis. Low steep slope, very close to x-axis. Slope 0 means there is no slope, it's just flat. And slope 1 means it's a deep one, sharp dip, straight line passing through the x-line. How do you calculate slope? Simply, if you have slope y-intercept form, you don't even have to calculate it. The number in front of x is slope, positive or negative. The number after x is y-intercept. So what's slope here? 2. What's y-intercept here? What's slope here? Y-intercept? Negative 5. It's not just 5. What's slope here? I can hear you guys. Negative 3 over 5. What's y-intercept? Thank you. Y-intercept is 0. This is not 0. And one more example. What is y-intercept? I'm sorry, what is slope here? We just have to play with the equation a little bit. Y is there. And I'm going to send the negative 5 to the other side of the equation as 5x. And plus 7 goes to the other side as minus 7. So slope becomes 5. Y-intercept becomes negative 7. Now, once we have standard form, we need to apply the rule, the formula. A is the one in front of x, B is the one in front of y, C is the regular number. So, and remember, both formulas have the negative sign first. So what's slope here? Minus A is the one in front of x, 3. B is the one in front of y, 5. Minus 3 over 5 is slope. Y-intercept? Negative 7 over 5. Let's do one more example. Slope here is negative 6 over, what number is it? It's not 2. Negative 2. So you are using the sign as well. So negative 6 divided by negative 2, it doesn't have to be fraction. Positive 3. And for the C, now I go back to the formula. Y-intercept is C, negative of course, divided by B. And C is right here. So C is there. I need to send it to the other side of the equation as minus 30. So negative 30 divided by minus 2. A lot of negative sign here. This will be negative 15. Let's practice finding out the slope.